Yeah, you're welcome to this lesson. Yes, in these lessons, I'm going to be showing you how you can set up comment, auto reply, and private reply. What we mean by this is that you have you made a post or you run an ads. Well, we're going to be working with the post now. You post on your page, Facebook page, or Instagram page, and people make comments. You might be busy, and even if you are not busy, you have so many things you can do with your time. So people ask different. So there's likely question people are going to ask. You so you can pre-arrange, set up, configure messages that will be auto reply and private reply. When you auto reply, that means within under the post you made, as the person is making comment, there's a ready-made reply pointing them to somewhere, as a reply. You can do this by just generic or keyword specific. For example, you can do a keyword specific. Someone is asking how much. You already have a reply. How much? You just write a reply. Now there's private reply. Private reply means anytime people make comment on your post. Apart from replying them on your comment, you also send a private reply to them in their DM or in their messenger. When you do this, they automatically become your subscriber. As far as they interact with your body, they automatically become your leads. That means you can reach out to them and get in touch with them in future, market to them, send information to them, and they are your lead. You can always engage them for free from your SalesUltimo platform. We are going to quickly, there's one good advantage of this. I'm going to show you this. This is, so if you run an engagement ads or you made a post, you can generate massive lead when people are making comments. Hello, how much? How do I get it? I'm interested. How do I order? How do I get it? How do I download? Or they just like it. Or maybe you made a content on your social media platform, or for example, and people are engaging. Oh, how interesting! And you just send them a song. You program something. This is you attach to that post. You just use it to convert them. You can offer them something more for free. It can be a follow-up to even the post you made, so that you don't have to reply them when they are making inquiry about the post you made. You already have something. You already build a flow. You want to link them to. You already build something. You already do that you want them to integrate with. You just do the post. You go and relax. You can even make a post and then plug in a sales funnel into this auto reply. So when they come, how much I want to buy, blah blah blah, the funnel just does trigger and they start communicating with your bot. They make payment, they take action you want them to take while you are busy doing something else. So we're going to do this now. Here is it. How do we get it? Go to comment. Yes, this section called comment growth. Yeah, there are two things we are going to work with. You can do this on Instagram and do this on, but we're going to be working with Facebook for now for the purpose of this training. Now there's something called private reply template. To make things easier for you, you first create your template for what you want to do. It's going to make things easier. Then we'll come back here for campaign. Yeah, okay, let's quickly make a template. This template I'm going to make now is going to be for the purpose of this training. So I might be in a hurry. I'm just to get it tested. Now let's go. Now there's so many things you do. Now you have to determine which page do you want to private reply. So like let me scroll. We're going to pick this. This is the one I've been using for the purpose of this series of training I'm running. Yeah. Now you start with something. Write down what what you want about offensive comment. Now, for this post you are making, some people are going to make, some people are likely going to make an offensive comment. They can say scam, they can say this. What do you want to happen to that? Because people's comment on your post can demarket whatever you are trying to do. Some people are just filled with negative energies, with due respect. So some people may have genuine. So you have option. You can say the SalesUltimo should help you hide the offensive comment so that people don't see, or outright delete it. So here you can set up a keyword separated by commas. So if someone says scam, when someone says scam, just pay attention to this. of nonsense. We are talking about what you do with this nonsense. So when somebody types scam, the comment will automatically be hidden. This is yes, um, or deleted. Now you might also want to reply them, but you will know how to do that. But we will not do that. You just create. You have a template to pick from here. You must, but don't worry, you will get to understand that you can add the template. Cannot reply, you can just put it. No, okay, we are not scammers, blah blah blah. This is what we do. You also use that to engage them, but that is not. You will know how to do that now. But let me quickly go to now. Do you want to send a reply message to user multiple times? If somebody may comment several times, you want to be replying, you can just check this. I will not do that. Do you want to enable comment reply? Say yes. If you just want to do private reply, you can say no to this and we go on to the private reply. But it's good you do that. The more comment on your post, the more engagement you get, the more the meta algorithm favors you based on what is popular. I don't. Yes, yes. Do you want to like on your page? If you want, now one thing, if you check this, when people make comment on your post, your page, your Instagram account will automatically like it. The person will think, yo, you like my post, especially if you are the one that have a massive followers. They would, oh, he like my post. Your audience might be very happy. Do you want to hide comment after reply? I don't see reason. You may want to, yes, hide a comment after reply, but you don't want to do that for this purpose. Now you have option to check keywords. Yes, if someone type hello price or whatever, for me I'd like using, you can use generic, it doesn't matter, any comment. I just want my target is for any comment. So I put the name, I'm going to have a name, mobile test. That's the name of the campaign, mobile test. So I can just put something like thank you. Okay, okay, visit or respond to your, you can say visit www.SalesUltimo.com to place order to get the free gift. You can add, please respond to your DM. I just send you a message in DM. Please reply. This is just a trial. This is just for the testing. You crown a message. This what you are doing here is pure marketing. So you know what to say. Now, what I'm trying to say, I want them to go and interact with my bot. Yes, I'm preparing their mind. Now, one thing is this: you can even upload an image as a reply, a video as a reply. If you want to do that, right away in the comment section. They ask something, then you have a video, you do a video reply. But you can just leave at comment as text and messages. I prefer that anyway. You can do that. Now, I want to private reply so that as this one is sent to them, into the customers, I want a station whereby I will also link them to my bot. There are two ways you can do this. If you already have a template, you can look for it here. Now, there are two things very important. Yes. Let me quickly see how you can quickly create a template. Okay. Now, couple of things here. There are different type of reply you can send here, and then you can delay it. You can do a lot of stuff here. So we set the template. Template is test private reply. Now, when you are naming your template, make sure you name it in such a thing you can test mobile. Okay. Private. Make sure you name it in a thing you will be able to identify later Okay, you mean post back type, don't worry about that. If you want to add label, just you can say add your own. You can create a label to identify a letter. If you don't like, you can leave it. Now there are different type of reply you can send to them message. You can send them a video, audio, image, a quick reply kind of a text with a button, generic template, one-time notification, e-commerce. You can even send them your store outrightly. Just look for your store. So you are sending them straight to your store. Yes, but that's not good because you want to convert them, you want to nurture them, so you don't want to send them your store. So just a text. It depends on what you want anyway. Then you can enable typing. It's going to look like you are typing, maybe like just 2 seconds. Then you can call them out. They are coming for the first time. You call the name out. Maybe the first name. Oh, send. Yes, to make purchase. Send to make purchase. Type order or price. No. Now, why choose this? If you have followed the previous training, now our sales funnel have one of these two keywords as a thing that can trigger. So what I'm trying to do is this. I want once this person once he reply with this price, so the sales funnel we set up with flow will automatically start replying here from the inbox. This message for inbox, so you can do this and practice it. So I'm just creating the template. Yes, templates have been created successfully. Now let me close and refresh it. Yes, let me look for it here. Now this is why you need to, okay, you see, because I've already clicked refresh, it has already brought it for me. Mobile test, private reply, mobile test. So that is just the name of the template I created for private reply. The one up here we are linking them together is comment reply. This reply will go under the comment section, and this will go to DM. So when the person interact. Now there's another thing you can do. I don't know. I don't want this to convince you, but let me quickly run through this. Don't let it be too much. If you have an existing flow, you can look for them here based on the name. They are going to fall under post back. Now store sales funnel. We created a chatbot yesterday. In previous lesson where we say store sales funnel. You can just plug in. So instead of asking them to type right, so the funnel will start connecting immediately. But let's leave the one we just created now. I hope you can do that. So you can bring in the flow you have created. That's why when you are creating your flow, your post back, all those, make sure you name it in something you can easily remember. Yeah, this is mobile test. Don't forget the name. Now, when I go to, this is where you have all your templates for comment for your SalesUltimo account. Yes. Now let's go back to let's go back to comment and growth. Yes. Now we create our campaign. So let's go there. Now we want to create a campaign. Don't forget this. You have to be specific with the page you are doing this already. Yeah. Now this is it. It's auto reply enable. You see the counting, the kind of stuff here. Now we'll come in previous video. We'll talk about this. Don't worry. Now these are lists of posts. These are posts that are available on this page. Mobile web solution. These are posts that are available. You can open this post here. You will see it. Like this one now. Yes, you see the page. This is the post. Are you getting it? This is the post. So what I want to do is that if somebody make a comment, it's going to reply. But that's not going to happen now. Let's go and do this. Now come here. This is a setting tools. Click on it. There are so many things you want to do here. Enable auto comment, enable auto reply. This is what you want to do. Enable auto reply. So you click on it. Yes. You can add a label if you want to add a label. You know where you're leaving them to. I've explained what label is all about. Now go and look for your template. So it's going to look for your template, mobile test. You know, this is the reason why you have to name your template in a thing you can easily uh, recognize. So, and you know, the mobile test has already been linked with the private reply. So two of them will go together. So when you check it back now, what it's going to give you is edit. That means already there. So many other things. You can pause it. You can view auto reply report. You can delete auto reply. You can, yes. Let's go to that post now. Let's go. Now, let's just type something here. Okay, let me see. Okay, I'm interacting. While you are doing this, always make sure you are interacting as an individual so that this can work. Because now, yes, coming here is showing, Facebook is showing I'm interacting as my Facebook profile, not as a page. It was interacting as a page before. So that reply may not work because like you are talking to yourself. So I'm going to talk with my name check here. Excuse me. Let's see. Let me just say, oh, I'm interested or something like that. I'm interested. Now, okay, you see something? What has happened? You see here? You see, Messenger has already replied. Now, this was not showing, but let's reload this page first before we go to Messenger. Yes. Now, let's go there. What did you, yes. Now, you see two comments. Let's look at the two comments. So, see what I'm talking about. Make sure you change, just make sure that you're interacting as your page. So that, yes. Oh, you see, I'm interested. That is a reply I type now. Look at what we said, what we just set up now. Oh, thank you. Visit to get a free gift, blah blah blah. SalesUltimo.com. So I just message you now. Please reply. Yes. So, you know, there's also a reply here. So what I'm saying is I want the person to go into DM and take action and reply. Yes. You see the private reply I just put in here now. Look at it. Hi Muri, to make purchase, just type order or price. So I want this person to engage with a particular flow auto the chatbot I've set up that has the keyword price. So the person can say price or order. You see, the chatbot is already replying. But before you do this, you must have set up a flow that you wanted that want to reply to these keywords, and then you see. You know, but if there is no flow, yeah, you see, hi Muri, you are welcome to mobile store. You know, in previous video we set up a search funnel. You see, because the price and order are part of the keyword for the previous sales funnel we sent. You know, you see, marketing has started. You can see. So what do you want? You know, okay, I say place order. So if you just set up a sales funnel, so you ask them to do that. Once they respond, this person has become your subscriber, your lead, whoever is responding to this. Are you getting it? So this person has become, so the flow, you see, the flow are coming. The flow with the sales funnel we set yesterday are coming. You know, they are coming. So while you are sleeping, these activities are going on. These activities are going on. This person will think he or she is chatting with, you see, is bringing in your store, is engaging. So if you have more communication, all of them will be coming. You know, all of them will be coming. So you see marketing going on while you are doing something else. These are the things you are supposed to be responding by yourself, do all those things. You see what SalesUltimo is going to be doing for you. Yes, you know, it has brought in my store that particular product. So right away within my mobile environment, um, you see, you see, you see. You see your store, so your customer can just add to cart right away from here without having to leave, without you have to do stuff and all those things here your store. So this is an amazing thing. So you can do this, an assignment for you. You have to do your own right now, set it up. Yes, yeah, you can do that with free SalesUltimo account. I will share with you how you can get access to SalesUltimo through the backdoor. We see share that with you. It's going to be an amazing thing. Make sure yes, now check a link below this video or check the next video I'm going to share with you with options. So, but check the link below this video. You will definitely see a link on how you can get SalesUltimo through the backdoor. Apart from the free version, the backdoor access is a thing. It's an asset that you will love for very long, and it's going to help you. Imagine all this are happening. Yes. Another thing you can do here. Okay, let's go back to comment and growth, where we set up our templates. We're going to go to template. Okay, there's a reply template. Okay, we'll go there. There's something you can do whereby you don't even need to tell them. You don't need to tell them to use it. I'm going to head. This is the reply template we created now. I'm going to go back and edit it. I want to show you something else you can do. We set up all these before. Now the way we set up reply, you can create a reply for this. When people type this kind of offensive scam, you can have a message, marketing to calm them down, to do the right thing. Just reply them. You can do that here, but you can always do it the way we did this one. Now here, this is a private reply we created. What about if you don't want to know? I want to bring in the flow directly. Now this is it. I'm going to look for the flow, the sales funnel flow we created in the previous lessons. Now we name it store sales funnel when we are creating the flow automation, so it will be available here. So now the simple meaning of this is that once people comment, the kind of private reply they will get is the funnel straight. You don't even ask them to type price, type hello. The funnel we set up in previous lesson with sales funnel, which is leading them to go and place order on our store, will be sent to them in private reply. Why this comment we see? Just send them, say, oh, I've sent you a message. You make sure you guide them, encourage them to go and check their DM and interact. Once they interact, they become your subscriber instanter. So you go and do. So assignment for you. You must have set up your store. You do the first assignment, your store, create a store. Second assignment, create your sales funnel. Then the third assignment you are doing, you're going to undertake now is create your own comment auto reply using your comment. It could be on your Instagram, it could be on your Facebook, any of your posts. Then you set up auto reply and private reply. Now for assignment, I'm going to drop a link below this video for the platform whereby you can submit your assignment, so we can have a look at it, and then that's going to be an amazing thing you will do. Now that is it. Now watch out for next lessons, and then a link below this video on backdoor access to SalesUltimo. Now I want you to do something. Don't joke with this. Start marketing. Start doing stuff now. Start setting funnel. One good thing about SalesUltimo, you can set massive number of funnels flow. Just go and do this, and then wait this thing to come. Now in some lesson that will come outside this workshop, in some you will see the video. Depends on where you are getting this from. We are going to also be sharing with you how you can run Facebook ads with this, run Instagram ads with this, so that it's not just when people come in organically alone. You can run ad with this on autopilot, and the sales is going on. Then you can do all of stuff. Now all the flow we build, you can even get people into your flow. You are not selling to them directly if you don't want to. Just keep on engaging them for like 2, 3, 5 days. before you now link them to something. But because of Facebook interaction, within 24 hours, you have to offer them something. You don't go and figure out, go and design your marketing strategies. Just bring it here. SalesUltimo will help you implement them. It's left for you to come and to become creative and do stuff like that. Thank you for being part of this video. So take up the assignment and get in touch with us. Excuse me. If you want to get access to SalesUltimo, you can reach out to us on our platform, or you can get in touch on Skype. Yes, now you can go to our website, go to contact page, and then you can read more about various options on the website. In another video, I'm going to talk about how you can get access to SalesUltimo through the backdoor. This is going to be one of the amazing marketing asset. From here, you can do, there's still so many things you can do with SalesUltimo. You can follow up your subscribers with email, with SMS, with messenger. You can do a lot of stuff here, there's a video on dashboard overview. If you have not seen that video, I will likely drop a link to that, or check our platform. You can even import with this. You can import your WooCommerce store from here. Yes, you can do a lot of that. You can also be an affiliate. You can use Internet Explorer. So there are more videos I'm going to teach you. Search tool whereby you can do research. You can use our image editor. You can have your to-do list here. You have a lot to do. So there'll be more lessons. If you are getting these, there'll be more lessons I'm going to be sharing with you in the next few days. Just make sure you check your email, check your messenger, your DM. I'll be sharing this for you. My virtual assistant will be working with you. Thank you. Let me see you in the next lesson, and please submit your assignment as fast. There is some gift. I will indicate that in the assignment page. There are some gifts for people who implement what they've learned, and then create something and submit the assignment. That's going to be an amazing thing. Thank you.